Are you tired of spending countless hours buried under paperwork? Does the thought of document review make you want to tear your hair out? Well, fret no more. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of AI-powered document review, specifically designed for real estate professionals. By the end of this video, you will discover how AI can become your secret weapon to streamline your workflow, improve your accuracy, and close deals faster. Welcome back to Autori's 100-day session. Today is a challenge session. We want you to identify an operational task you can automate and research potential AI tools. Now, we will be focusing on automating document reviews with AI from our standpoint, but within your business, you can pick any one of the operational tasks that you haven't automated yet and consider automating it. And just follow us through the session so that you can see how we look at automating different aspects of our businesses and how AI can be of assistance to us. So the key objectives from today are: we want you to understand the challenges of manual document review. So you replace document review with whatever operational task you've chosen to automate. Now, identify the types of documents suitable for AI-powered review, explore the functionalities of the documents, learn how to implement AI document review, discover the benefits and limitations of AI, and understand the role of Autori.ai in setting up and managing AI document review solutions. So let's get started. So just to recap, remember, yesterday was a day of case studies. We looked at 6 different case studies and 6 different implementations of AI in real estate. We looked at the different challenges that each one was trying to solve. We looked at the solution that they preferred, and we also looked at the results of the implementation. So that was a wonderful session. So have a look at that after this one if you haven't seen it yet. Now, with regards to today, what common tasks could you automate with AI? So tasks like lead generation, customer queries, chatbots, contract management, listings, updates, and the list is endless. Anything that's mundane, anything that takes time, these are things you want to consider automating with AI. So we'll focus today on document review. Manual review is time consuming, is prone to errors, and can delay transactions, but AI offers a faster, more accurate and efficient alternative. So the challenges of manual document review include what I've mentioned already. Let me list them again: time consuming, human error, delays in transactions, mistakes, reviewing the same document over and over. You might have an outfit that presents all your tenants and all purchasers with the same contract, but I would say that at some point you'd have some of your clients that want a tailored custom contract for them. How do you know what's been written in each contract? If you've got 100 tenants and you have 100 documents to read, you could pass that to your solicitors, but at least each one will take an hour to 2 hours, and they'll bill you per hour per 2 hours. And you want to keep abreast of the points and the terms of each contract as well. This is where AI comes in and helps you out. So AI for document review, AI leverages natural language processing, so it's able to understand the spoken word because of how the words are put together and how it's trained. It would understand what's serious, it would understand sentiment analysis, it would identify different patterns in a document, and it would identify the key information that it needs to flag. So suitable documents that you could present for AI review are things like contracts, purchase agreements, lease agreements, disclosures, so property disclosures, any lead paint disclosures, addendums, and loan documents even. So how would AI review your document? You can set it up or configure it to identify the key buyers, the key sellers, key addresses, so the key players in any one of your contracts. And all of this will be based on the kind of prompt you put in as well, depending on the tools you go for. Then you can ask it to give you some level of analysis as to the tone of the overall contract, or even an email. What kind of tone does it present? So it can use that to present you with potential risks or things that need urgent attention. Now, also, you can have it do a preliminary risk assessment. So ask it to flag potential issues requiring human review. So things like missing signatures, conflicting dates, things that are impossible in reality to happen or to make come to fruition. And then the classification of documents is another one that you can get the machine to do for you. Benefits include increased efficiency, so the automation of tedious tasks, which would free up everyone's time, improved accuracy, faster turnaround times, cost savings. All the benefits are it keeps your business nimble, it keeps your business at peak performance, because if at every point you know exactly what the contract states and you know what your responsibilities are and you stay on top of your responsibilities, then that saves you in the long run as well. Having said all that, it's not a silver bullet. There are limitations to AI. It is a machine at the end of the day, and it works based on data that has been trained on. So the key things to look out for are things like bias. So when you present it with a contract and perhaps a contract to onboard a tenant, does it instinctively reject certain tenants or certain people? Does it flag certain issues based on the demographic situation of the people in the contract? So you want to look out for biases. You want to have tests in place as well for that. And it's not a replacement for human expertise. It's just there to assist the human. So as an example, if you fed it with 150 contracts and then it flags 3, then you want the human to pick up those 3 and then review those 3, because there are complexities as well in the drafting of contracts where there might be nuances in the terms that have been used that it may not pick up. So these are things that humans would have to do. So it's there to assist, not there to replace. And then AI has limited reasoning ability, so AI struggles with interpreting context sometimes and the nuances, as I mentioned earlier. So how would you implement your document review? Firstly, you want to identify the needs that you have within your business and evaluate your current document review process and pain points and what you can change or what you ought to change. Then discover what research tools you currently have and research tools you can use to identify anything new. So explore different AI document review tools and their functionalities. You want to also be able to integrate with your current workflow. So consider how AI can seamlessly fit into what currently exists. And then for starters, have a test case, a pilot program where you just ring fence maybe 50 contracts, run tests on those, feed them through AI, and then see if the response is what you expect, if it selects and highlights the things you'd expect it to highlight, and then just rinse and repeat and keep testing till you get it right. So monitor and refine. So AutoRead AI can help you as well with some of these tasks. So we provide expert guidance and support throughout the AI implementation process, and we help you select the right tool. And our team ensures that everything's integrated correctly and works with your existing workflow. So this is why we offer an AI audit. You join our wait list and we'll contact you to help you set up on what you need to set up for whatever you've decided to automate. In this case, we're using document review, but in your case, you might be doing lead gen or some other thing. So reach out to autoread.ai and we'll be sure to assist you. So before I go, I wanted to give you a solution that you can implement straight away. So in the OpenAI, ChatGPT, GPT's marketplace, there are many document review solutions. This is how easy it is to onboard to add to your workflows. So you just go into the GPT's marketplace and then you type document review, and the screen or the screenshot that I've pasted in this slide gives you an idea as to what you'd see straight away. So straight away you have an option to test 6 different document review GPTs, and all you have to do is select one and then feed the document in. And that's it, and just watch what comes back. Now, some of this stuff can be automated as well, so you can send your document in via APIs. But having said all that, do think about the security implications of what you're trying to do. So consider the compliance requirements, the GDPR, and the American equivalent. So if you feed your document into a GPT, make sure it's not taken into a territory or region that you are not supposed to feed that document into. Also, make sure that if you're using a GPT, that you understand what they're doing with your GPT. They're not leaking any sensitive information, and it's very secure. So these are things you'd want AutoRead to assist you with, just to make sure that you're covered. So AutoRead.ai specializes in automating business growth and business processes, creating of chatbots and removing of those mundane tasks and replacing them with machines, computers, agents. So if this is something that's of interest and you're thinking of adding some more automation to your business, adding those extra employee efforts without actually employing any staff, then do reach out to us. Have a look at our website, autoread.ai, or send us an email to oa@autoread.ai. We're available on all the socials as well. So Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and definitely YouTube, because that's where you're watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to add the question to the comment section and we'll be sure to respond. So thank you so much for today, and until next time, keep